Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your recruiter reach using LinkedIn Recruiter Lite, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your recruiter reach using LinkedIn Recruiter Lite, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Recruiter Lite section. Click on the Search tab located at the top of the page. Enter relevant keywords related to the positions you are hiring for in the search bar. Refine your search by selecting the appropriate filters such as location, industry, and experience. Once your filters are applied, review the search results carefully. Take note of the number of potential candidates that match your criteria. Next, click on individual profiles to assess their qualifications and experience. Pay attention to the mutual connections you may have with these candidates. To expand your reach, consider using the InMail feature to contact candidates directly. Create a tailored message that highlights your interest in their profile. Monitor your InMail response rate to evaluate the effectiveness of your outreach. Use the pipeline management tools within Recruiter Lite to track candidate progress. Organize candidates into different stages of your hiring process. This will help you visualize your overall recruiting efforts in one place. Review analytics provided by LinkedIn to gauge your recruiting performance. Analyze the metrics to understand how your reach and candidate engagement have improved over time. Adjust your search criteria and outreach strategy based on the insights gained. Regularly update your profile and company page to attract more candidates. Finally, continue to leverage LinkedIn's powerful networking capabilities to grow your recruiting reach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.